Hello, wanderlust souls. Today we set foot on the sun-kissed shores of Cyprus, an island where myths come alive, and every corner tells a story. Picture, if you will, a Mediterranean paradise where the sun shines with relentless passion, casting a golden hue on the azure waves that gently kiss the island's pristine beaches. Cyprus, a name that has echoed through the corridors of time, stands as a testament to the resilience and beauty of nature and the enduring spirit of human civilization. This island, a tapestry woven with threads of different cultures, enthralls with its rich history and nature's bounty. The coastal stretches, adorned with the remnants of ancient civilizations, bear witness to the island's storied past. As we journey through Cyprus, we'll uncover tales of Greek gods, Roman rulers, and Byzantine emperors, all of whom have left their indelible mark on this enchanting landscape. But Cyprus is not just about the past, it is a vibrant blend of old and new, where modern cities thrive amidst ancient ruins, and the echoes of history reverberate in bustling marketplaces. The island's culture is a delightful fusion of Greek and Turkish influences that dance in harmony, giving rise to a unique ethos that is distinctly Cypriot. As we traverse the island, we'll discover Cyprus's natural wonders, from its stunning beaches to the rugged beauty of the Akamas Peninsula. We'll dive into the world of Cypriot cuisine, a tantalizing fusion of Mediterranean flavors that will leave you craving more. We'll venture off the beaten path to explore hidden gems like the charming village of Lefkara and the serene trails of the Troodos mountains. Cyprus is more than just a destination. It's a sensory experience that captivates and enthralls. From the moment you set foot on its sun-drenched shores, you're whisked away on a journey that engages every sense, whisking you away into a world where history, nature, and culture coalesce into an unforgettable tapestry of experiences. As we embark on this journey, prepare to uncover the hidden gems of Cyprus. Soak in the warmth of the sun, the coolness of the sea, the richness of history, and the vibrancy of its culture. Cyprus awaits, ready to share its secrets and etch an indelible impression on your soul. In the heart of Cyprus lies Nicosia, a city where history whispers from every alleyway. Here, Greek and Turkish influences dance in harmony. As we stroll through the narrow, winding streets of Old Nicosia, it's easy to see why this city is often referred to as the heart of Cyprus. Nicosia's rich tapestry of culture is woven from threads of both Greek and Turkish traditions. Imagine a place where Byzantine churches stand shoulder to shoulder with Ottoman mosques, where the aroma of Greek coffee mingles with the scent of Turkish baklava, and where you can hear the harmonious blend of Greek and Turkish dialects. This is Nicosia, a city that embodies the spirit of Cyprus. But Nicosia isn't just a melting pot of cultures. It's a city that embraces progress without losing sight of its roots. Modern boutiques, art galleries, and trendy cafes are nestled among centuries-old structures, creating a unique juxtaposition that reflects the city's evolution. Nicosia's vibrant culture is also reflected in its festivals, such as the annual Carnival of Nicosia. This celebration of life, filled with music, dance, and colorful costumes, is a testament to the city's infectious zest for life. And let's not forget the city's historical significance. As the last divided capital in the world, Nicosia carries a poignant reminder of Cyprus's turbulent past. The Green Line, a demarcation line dividing the Greek and Turkish Cypriot communities, is a stark symbol of the city's resilience and hope for a united future. Yet, despite its divisions, Nicosia stands as a beacon of unity. The city's inhabitants, both Greek and Turkish Cypriots, share a mutual respect and coexistence that's heartwarming to witness. As we leave the bustling streets of Nicosia and step into the tranquil courtyards of its ancient buildings, we're reminded of the city's enduring charm. These quiet corners, steeped in history, offer a moment of serenity amidst the city's lively rhythm. Nicosia is a testament to Cyprus's rich cultural heritage that effortlessly blends the old with the new. It's a city that captures the heart of every traveler with its remarkable fusion of history, culture, and captivating spirit. Cyprus's allure isn't just in its history but also in its breathtaking natural beauty. The azure waters of Nisi Beach and the unspoiled wilderness of Akamas are nature's masterpieces. From the sandy shores lapped by the Mediterranean's gentle waves to the rugged trails that wind through untouched landscapes, Cyprus is a paradise for those who find solace in nature's embrace. The island's stunning beaches, like Nisi Beach, are a haven for sun-seekers, their golden sands kissed by the sun's warm glow. Here, the turquoise waters meet the sky at the horizon, creating a mesmerizing tableau that captivates the senses. Nisi Beach isn't just about sunbathing and swimming though, it's also a place where you can partake in a plethora of water sports, from jet skiing to windsurfing. Or perhaps you'd rather take a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, the sand between your toes and the salty sea breeze in your hair. But Cyprus's natural wonders don't stop at the water's edge. Venture inland, and you'll find yourself in the untamed wilderness of the Akamas Peninsula. A mosaic of diverse habitats, Akamas is where nature truly thrives. From the endemic flora that paints the landscape in a myriad of colors to the unique fauna that calls this place home, Akamas is a testament to Cyprus's rich biodiversity. The peninsula is also home to the Baths of Aphrodite, a natural grotto shrouded in myth. Legend has it that this is where the Greek goddess of love and beauty used to bathe. Today it's a serene spot where you can listen to the soothing sound of water trickling down from a natural spring. As you traverse the trails of Akamas, you'll also come across panoramic viewpoints that offer stunning vistas of the surrounding landscapes. From here, you can drink in the sights of rugged cliffs dropping down to secluded coves, and sprawling forests giving way to open plains. Whether you're a beach bum or a nature enthusiast, Cyprus's natural wonders offer something for everyone. So come, lose yourself in the island's enchanting beauty, and find a connection with nature that's as profound as it is personal. Our journey isn't complete without indulging in Cypriot culinary delights. Each dish offers a fusion of Mediterranean flavors that's simply irresistible. Embarking on a tantalizing exploration of Cypriot cuisine, we are met with a medley of flavors that is as diverse and vibrant as the island itself. With influences from Greece, Turkey, and the Middle East, each dish is a testament to Cyprus's rich cultural tapestry. First up is halloumi, a Cypriot cheese that has won hearts worldwide. This semi-hard, unripened cheese made from a mixture of goat's and sheep's milk is a culinary superstar. Whether grilled, fried, or served fresh, its unique texture and mild salty flavor make it a versatile ingredient in many dishes. Next, we delve into the realm of souvlaki. These skewers of marinated meat, traditionally pork, are a staple of Cypriot street food. Served with warm pita bread, fresh salad, and a generous dollop of tzatziki, every bite of souvlaki is a celebration of savory flavors. Then there's moussaka, a hearty dish layered with sautéed eggplant, spiced minced meat, and a creamy bechamel sauce. Baked to perfection, moussaka is a comforting dish that embodies the soul of Cypriot home cooking, but the culinary journey doesn't stop there. Cyprus also boasts an array of sweet delicacies. Loukoumades, golden puffs of fried dough drizzled with honey syrup and sprinkled with cinnamon, are a sweet lover's dream. And let's not forget the flaky, honey-soaked layers of baklava, a dessert that's a testament to Cyprus's Ottoman influence. In Cyprus, food is more than just sustenance. It's an expression of the island's history, its people, and their unwavering hospitality. Each dish is a story, woven with threads of tradition and a pinch of innovation, served on a plate for us to savor. From its tantalizing flavors to its unique preparation methods, Cypriot cuisine is a gastronomic delight that leaves you craving for more. Cyprus holds secrets in its charming villages and mountainous landscapes. Lefkara's lace and the serene trails of Troodos are treasures waiting to be discovered. Nestled in the heart of the island is the quaint village of Lefkara, a place where time seems to stand still. Known for its centuries-old tradition of lace-making, Lefkara is a testament to the Cypriot spirit of preserving their rich cultural heritage. The intricate patterns and delicate craftsmanship of Lefkara lace have been passed down through generations, each stitch a symbol of the village's enduring legacy. The charm of Lefkara is not just limited to its lace. The village is a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets, with stone houses covered in colorful bougainvillea. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, and friendly locals are always eager to share tales of their village's history and folklore. From the village life in Lefkara, we journey to the majestic Troodos Mountains. This mountain range is a paradise for nature lovers, offering breathtaking views and a multitude of trails for hikers and explorers. The Troodos is home to rare plant species, endemic birds, and even the elusive Cyprus mouflon, a wild sheep unique to the island. But the Troodos Mountains are not just about the natural beauty, they are also steeped in history. Scattered across these mountains are Byzantine churches and monasteries, their walls adorned with exquisite frescoes that tell stories of faith and devotion. These religious sites are a testament to the island's deep spiritual roots. As we delve deeper into the Troodos, we come across charming mountain villages. These villages offer a peek into the traditional Cypriot way of life, away from the hustle and bustle of the touristy towns. Here, you can sip on the local wine, dine on home-cooked Cypriot fare, and immerse yourself in the tranquil pace of mountain life. These hidden gems add to the allure of Cyprus, making every visit a unique and enriching experience. Walking through the ancient ruins of the tombs of the kings and Kurion, we step back in time, uncovering stories of civilizations long gone but never forgotten. These sites, etched with history, are more than just remnants of stone and mortar. They are storytellers, narrating tales of Cyprus's rich past, of empires risen and fallen, of cultures blending and evolving. Let's begin with the tombs of the kings, nestled near the city of Paphos. Despite its name, it's not kings but high-ranking officials and aristocrats who found their final resting place here. As we wander through these underground tombs, each carved out of solid rock, we can almost hear the whispers of ancients echoing through the chambers. These tombs with their Doric columns and frescoed walls are a testament to the influence of Greek culture, providing a unique window into the lives of those who once walked these lands. Our journey through time continues to Kurion, one of the most impressive archaeological sites on the island. Once a thriving city kingdom, Kurion now stands as a monument to the passage of time. As we tread the well-worn paths of the ancient city, we encounter the remnants of a grand amphitheater, Roman baths, and intricate mosaics that bear witness to a bygone era of prosperity and artistic prowess. Each stone, each artifact, echoes stories of a vibrant community that once flourished under the Mediterranean sun. The past and present seamlessly blend in Cyprus, where history is not just confined to museums, but is a living, breathing part of the landscape. It's here, amidst these ancient ruins, where we truly understand the depth of the island's cultural heritage, its resilience, and its enduring charm. The ancient ruins of Cyprus serve as a reminder of the island's rich history, offering a fascinating glimpse into the past. As we leave these sites behind, we carry with us the echoes of ancient tales, the spirit of discovery, and a deeper appreciation for this Mediterranean paradise. Our journey through Cyprus comes to an end, but the memories of this enchanting island will linger on, like a sweet melody that stays with you long after the song has ended. In our exploration, we've traversed through the vibrant cultural tapestry of Nicosia, where Greek and Turkish influences interweave, creating a city that is as diverse as it is historic. We've strolled through bustling marketplaces, where the echoes of haggling vendors and the scent of fresh produce transported us into the very heart of Cyprus culture. We've been captivated by the island's natural wonders, from the azure waters of Nisi Beach to the rugged beauty of the Akamas Peninsula. These landscapes, untouched and unspoiled, have given us a taste of the sublime, a glimpse of the Mediterranean in its raw, untamed glory. Who could forget the culinary journey we embarked upon? Each bite of halloumi, each morsel of souvlaki and moussaka, was an exploration of flavors, a celebration of the island's gastronomical heritage. We've tasted Cyprus, and it was simply irresistible. Our adventure also led us off the beaten path, to the charming village of Lefkara and the serene trails of the Troodos mountains. These hidden gems, nestled away from the touristy hustle-bustle, held stories and experiences that were uniquely Cypriot, uniquely ours. And of course, we stepped back in time, walking through the ancient ruins of the tombs of the kings in Kurion. Each stone, each artifact was a testament to civilizations long gone but never forgotten, a testament to the island's rich, layered history. In Cyprus, we've not just traveled but journeyed. The island has woven its magic around us, immersing us in its lore, its beauty, its charm. This Mediterranean paradise has given us memories to cherish, stories to tell, and a longing to return. From its sun-kissed beaches to its ancient ruins, Cyprus is a Mediterranean paradise that promises an unforgettable journey. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering.